What's up, YouTube? Coming to you to show you a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that I finally got. Finally been waiting on my red color. So it's finally here. So I already opened the box, and this is what you get in the box. So you get your USB C to C. You get your quick guide, just for people that might want to see. And then you get your SIM tool. And then here is the color of the phone. This is the red one, 256, that I've been waiting on. Originally had an April date, but it came a little earlier, a few days before the end of March, so I'm glad about that. So in person, on camera, it looks red. In person, I more so consider this a deep coral color, which is part of the red family, so it's all good. And I like it a lot. It looks really good. I love that it's matte on the back here. And I like it. It looks good. Looks very good on the front. Got the screen protector. That'll be coming off. And then here's the back. And then here is the S Pen to match the color. Very nice. And it looks good. So I have my Note 20 Ultra here. And the big difference that was the point of talking was the thing around the camera. And I liked it. When this came out, I liked this because it was something different. But it is very thick. You can see that it's very thick. And I wasn't sure how I feel about this. But now that I see it in person, this actually looks better in person to me. When I was watching videos, I wasn't sure how I felt about them not having this like little covering case around there. But in person, it looks better to me. It looks very good. So let's do looks like it's just a hair. And I probably won't pick that up on camera. But it's just a hair shorter. The S22 is just a hair shorter than the Galaxy Note. Width-wise, it's just a little more narrow by hair, it feels like. And I probably can't pick these things up on camera too well, but just a hair more narrow. And then weight-wise, let's see. The S22 feels just slightly heavier, but I haven't looked at the grams on paper yet, but just feels slightly heavier. So that's that. And then comparing to the Pro Max, which I feel like if you're looking at iOS versus Android, you still got some figuring out to do. But just because I know people like to see these things, first of all, look at that. That green and that coral red looks beautiful in camera together. Looks very good. All right. So, of course, the Ultra is taller. They are about the same width. It feels like the S22 Ultra is just a hair more narrow. I probably can't get that on camera though. That's the best I probably can do as far as showing you that. And then of course, the 13 Pro feels heavier. But man, look at that. That looks good. That looks really good together, actually. Gotta take a picture of that. So let's look at it, the green from the Samsung. This is the green from the Samsung. But the Samsung green looks bluish sometimes. And to my opinion, that green from the Alpine green from the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks better next to it. So that's that. Only other thing I want to show is just for those curious, if you are doing like me, going up from the Note 20, if you're curious about your case fitting. The case, so it fits on there, but it's not meant to fit on there because of the way the camera is right here. But is there. But you definitely want to get a properly fitted case for sure. All right. So I'm not going to power up anything. We'll say that for a later video. So that brings my Samsung family. This is my current Samsung lineup. Where's my other phone? Here it is. S22. And we got the Flip 3. So, alright, so this is my current Samsung lineup. And I know you're probably like, now why do you have all these phones? Well, for one, I'm a tech person, but you're right, it is 20 phones. And some of these we're finna get rid of. So, because I have iPhones too. So, of course, my Note 20, my S22 Ultra is replacing my Note 20 Ultra. I'm trading, I bought this directly from the Samsung website. How I got the one, this is one of the website exclusive colors. They gave me $8.50 for this. So this will be eliminated. I love my Fold 3. I'm sorry, I love my Fold, my original Fold. It's not going anywhere. I have the Fold 3. As you can see past videos, but I decided to keep this just because I love this form factor. Even though I don't use the front screen, it's like my own. First of all, I only watch YouTube videos on this. Very once in a while, I'll take it outside, but not really. Mainly watching YouTube. It's the ultimate YouTube watching machine. Great for that. And I just love the form factor. It's so thin and slim compared to the Fold 2 and Fold 3, which they made it heavier. So I just love this. It's my ultimate YouTube. I don't know how long I'll be holding on to that. I might finally upgrade when the Fold 4 comes, but I can't guarantee it because I really do love the original Fold. And then we have my Flip 3 and S22. I like my S22. I like it a lot. But basically when this comes down to my secondary phone, which is going to be my secondary phone, my primary is on my iPhone. So it's like Flip 3 or S22. And I think I'm going to go with the Flip 3 just because I love the Flip 3. It's something different. So that eliminates the S22, but I do love the S22. I just can't justify keeping this and just buying this. And I just got the Tab S8 Ultra. I just can't justify having 3 brand new products from Samsung all in one time. So I think I'm going to keep my Flip 3. And so that will eliminate my S22. And so that will bring my lineup to this will be my Samsung phone lineup. This, my S22 Ultra, I'm a Note fan, so I've always got to have a Note, and that's why I keep the Note series. Usually I'm just probably going to watch YouTube and social media on this. Probably will never be used as a phone. I never did use this never got used as a phone. Probably it'd be the same on there. I don't know, but probably most likely. I'll probably keep this case free. I kept this one in a case, but I'll probably keep this one case free. And you can tell I kept it in a case because I still got the plastic on there on the back. This will be used for YouTube watching. And then this will be my second line business phone. That's my Flip 3. And so that is my Samsung lineup. So till next time, guys. Next video, couple videos coming up will be check out the Samsung Tab S8 Ultra video and my review. Well, not a review, but like my thoughts on the S22. So till next time, guys, later.